This is a short video of me riding Elle. She is a 5-year-old quarter horse filly that came to me for training. Someone else had started her and really, quite honestly, did a pretty good job of getting a good start on her, but she didn't know a whole lot. Still needed to really get a handle on her and learn how to stay between the reins, move off the leg, more body control with the individual body parts, things like that. Really good-minded filly. She's been a pleasure to work with. And in this video, she is pulling a tractor tire with the lariat. It's the first time I pulled anything on her, and decided to capture it on video for the owner. I had swung a rope off of her a few times prior to this video, and she really didn't seem to care much about it. Could throw it out there and drag it back across and coil it up beside her, and she watched a little bit but really wasn't very reactive at all. In this session, I dragged the tire from both sides, and she did absolutely awesome with it. And here I'm just working on her neck reining a little bit. She's starting to get the hang of it and her stops, and starting to understand where she needs to put her feet for the turnarounds. Definitely not speedy about it and still gets kind of tangled up and off balance, but she's come a long ways from when I first got her here and started working with her. She's freed up a lot in her backup as well. Again, on her turnarounds and pivots, she's still figuring out how to come into it and how to keep her balance and place that pivot foot. But she's starting to get a few steps here and there and starting to move off my leg a little bit better, as well as the outside rein.